What's good, people? So I want to speak about the transfer exchange that happened between Juventus and Barca, between Arthur and Pjanic. So there's a lot of unrest and insecurity amongst the supporters, and also on social media there's a lot of negativity going around about the club, about how the hierarchy is cracked, how the players are very much old. They're not able to cope up nowadays with the pressure. Lot of pressure on the coaches, the coach Kike Setien. There are speculations that Kike Setien is going to be sacked next season. There's going to be a new coach. Then Xavi throwing a statement around that he's ready to handle the club. I think supporters and fans should not, go all these things very easily, because we really don't know what's going behind. Okay, we really don't know what's going around, and there's a lot of toxic environment already. The best way that we as fans, clubs, is support them, right? To send some positive talk the positive things. So nobody is talking about how good Pjanic and how underrated he is. He's so underrated, guys. He's very experienced, and he is what Barca needs. There's no one, I don't think, who can spray long balls, like Pogba does for United. He sprays long balls. He's very, very good as a pivot when he's having some space. He was not at all suitable at Juventus with Maurizio Sarri's style of play, of quick passes, and that's what Juventus need. They need a player like Arthur, and I don't think Arthur would have, he would have got so much of game time with Frankie de Jong there, Rakitic there, Vidal there. I don't think, he would have receive that much of a game time, because Barca is all about results nowadays, because the players are good, everything is good, there is new coach, they want results, and Arthur was getting game time, but as far as we know what the reality is, Arthur was doing good, but now he's transferred. So I think it's a good deal, it's not a bad deal. Pjanic is very experienced and he can deliver certain things. What Barca has been lacking, according to me, is they were lacking that final ball. They are having possession. I know it's a slow kind of possession, regressive play, but they do lack in counter press, and they do lack when it comes to the final balls, when there's nobody feeding Suarez. You see most of the goals come because of a good combination play or having possession near attacking third, and they're scoring in that manner. So I just want to say that there's a lot of pressure around. You see people making videos, ESPN always, as usual, being negative about everything, that the coach should be sacked and something like that. I don't know, they are saying something. I forgot what the title said. And most of the people making videos making fun of the transfer. I think it's a good deal. I think they needed somebody experienced. Pjanic is very experienced. I think experience counts a lot. It gives you results. If I think the coach needs more time, that's what I need, and I sincerely believe that there should not be a toxic environment amongst the fans, because players do care about the fans. They want to know what the fans are thinking. And when such things happen, I know there are fans who talk positive things about their clubs, about their players as well, but I just want to share my thing that Pjanic is an experienced player compared to Arthur. Arthur is still growing. If you see, Arthur is he needs to go Juventus. If you really think about through his perspective, if you think about his development, he really needs a coach like Maurizio Sarri, because Sarri is known for developing such players, developing midfielders, and I don't think he would have received that level of development at Barca as compared to what he's going to get at Juventus, because you see the environments are completely different. Juventus is more stable. Barca is getting a little bit unstable because of psychologically mostly. So it is just these things that I want to request to all the people who are fans. I want, through this channel and through this page, I want to spread this message that people who love football should be a football fan first, should also know the positive sides, not just the negatives. People sell negativity a lot because it sells easily, right? So I think people should be a football fan first, see what's happening around, just like what I said, that how good Pjanic is very underrated. Stuff like this, people should try to be, not make conclusions. I know things are not really going good in Barca right now. It's a bad phase because the standards are so high at the club that they are supposed to be winning. Plus, on the other hand, Madrid making such signings. Zidane is back and making signings. Youngsters are coming, talented youngsters. So there's this insecurity that maybe Madrid will take over again, just during the Mourinho era. So that's it from me, guys. I think there should be more positive things around, and the coach Quique Setien needs more time, and I think Pjanic is a good transfer. I don't think it's a bad deal. And through this channel, I just want to talk about the positive things about football, and I want people who are football fans be true football fans first, then be their club's fan, because then there is no bias when you look at football. When you enjoy, the more you are a football fan first, the more you enjoy the game. That's it.